What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C when we back at it, baby, with another slight video, man. Yo, it's been so long since I said that, yo. I don't think I dropped a video, man, in about 4 months, man. See, Will, where you been? Y'all, I've been grinding. I've been hustling, taking vacations. I just came back from Hawaii. Took my girl with me to Louisiana, right? Y'all been ripping and running, working. Man, nonstop, y'all. Life just been happening, man, right? So, but yeah, in today's video, man, we're just going to be talking about, bro, is buying a Hellcat in 2022 worth it, all right? Whether it's a Hellcat or a Red Eye, man, we're just going to be discussing that, y'all. That's something I really want to talk about, man. You know, first video back, man, I'm going to just give y'all a little insight, man. Is it worth it, bro? The pricing of certain things, gas is going up, right, in almost every single state, right? So we're just going to be breaking everything down, man. I'm going to give y'all my unfiltered, honest opinion, right? Unbiased, obviously, right? Give y'all the ins and outs, man. Owning a Hellcat, man, is it really worth it? Or should y'all just save y'all money, get a Scat? Save y'all money, get a RT, you know, shit. They really making RTs now. I'm not saying they making them wide bodies, but people are putting wide body kits on RTs, right? To look just like the Scat Packs, to look almost like the Red Eye or the Hellcat, right? Just a different hood. Other than that, charger-wise, the body's still the same. You got that body style, right? So, yeah, let's get into it, man. All right, y'all. So, to start out, man, is it worth getting a Hellcat in 2022, right? Should y'all buy one? In my honest opinion, man, I don't think it's worth it. All right, y'all. Like I said, it's coming from a Hellcat Red Eye owner, right? Maybe a Hellcat. Well, I'm not gonna say maybe, right? I think a Hellcat is more practical to drive rather than a Hellcat Red Eye, right, y'all? I don't use 797 horsepower at all, right, y'all? Even if I have the car in freaking eco mode, right? I think that limit me to like 500 horses, right? I still hear the supercharger. That's one. I just don't use all 797 horsepower, or I get what 720 crank, or I'm sorry, 720 wheel, right? So yeah, I don't use all that horsepower, man. I really think a regular Hellcat would be much more better for y'all than to get a Hellcat Red Eye, man. I don't think nobody should get a Hellcat Red Eye, y'all, unless y'all gonna be at the drag strip racing that bit. I'm talking about, man, prepping y'all tires, burnouts, all that craziness, bro. Then do it, right? But just for everyday car or everything like that, y'all, I would recommend, man, y'all just get a Scat Pack, bro. Now, that's just me. I never owned a Scat Pack before, y'all, but I can just say, man, better miles per gallon, right? I know people say, oh, I don't care about gas. You don't get a Hellcat for gas. You don't do this. Man, if you fill up a whole lot during the week, hey, that gas gonna start hitting, goddamn, right? Even like me, right? Like, I'm not saying this my everyday driver, is my daily driver, right? But I like to drive my car. You know, I'm not paying all this money for this car just to let it sit. You know what I mean? Like, that's not me, right, y'all? But is it worth buying a Hellcat in 2022? I strongly don't believe it is. You know, especially being that, like, you know, the price of even getting a Hellcat now is much more expensive because people already know about the chip shortage, right? People already know, like, the production of these V8 engines and all that is going to go away in, what, 2023? Everything is going to go electric, right? So they're going to start boosting up the price of these Hellcats and these Red Eyes and all that, right? So if in the event you want to buy one, I think it's better to buy one early than to not buy one, right? Or than to buy one late. Like, don't try to buy one in 2023 whenever Dodge officially go electric, because then all they're going to do is boost the prices up. Right, so if in the event you want to buy a Hellcat, man, or buy a Red Eye, whatever it is, bro, whether it's a Challenger or Charger, I think you should buy one now, right? But my personal opinion, right, unbiased, like I said, I don't think it's worth it, man. One, like I said, I don't use the 797 horsepower, right? Two, the car is bad on gas, bro. Like, you know, especially if y'all one of them people that like to hit the SRT button twice and go to your custom mode, or if y'all like to ride around in track every single day. Me, y'all, I ride around in eco, man. Unless I'm on a highway and I feel like hitting it, then I'm gonna put it in track or custom and I'm gonna go crazy, you hear me? But other than that, y'all, I drive mine in eco, man. I probably fill up, to be completely honest, y'all, like, if I'm driving my car, if I'm daily driving it every single day, I could fill up like probably twice a week. I'd say Monday and Friday. Boom, keep it like that, right? So yeah, y'all, like the Red Eye is not the worst on gas, right? It could be a little worse. How? I have no idea. Maybe if I had a Demon, right? Same engine and all that, just a little bit more tuned, right? Whatever. But yeah, y'all, I don't think it's worth it, man. One, the car payment is not worth it, right? I understand if I took this car to the drag strip every single day and I got the most out of my 797 horsepower, right? Don't buy this car, y'all, to just try to be on the level of your favorite YouTuber. Don't buy a Hellcat just to da-da-da-da. And I get it. The Hellcat definitely changed the game, y'all. Definitely, you know, people rap about the Hellcats. People glorify the Hellcats, man. You know, if you got a Hellcat, you doing something good. You da-da-da-da-da, right? I get all that. But, y'all, look, if you get a Hellcat, man, make sure you financially stable first, right? Don't worry about social media. Don't worry about blah, 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 blah. And, like, yes, I know the Hellcats are going out of production in 2023, y'all. But even if you go on Car Gurus, whatever, right? And you look up, like, nationwide Hellcats, bro, there's a lot of Hellcats still on the market, y'all. I'm talking about going all the way back to 2015 to what, 2022? They got Hellcats, y'all. So what? That's 7 years of production made Hellcats, y'all. That's a lot of Hellcats still to be bought, sold, whatever, traded in, whatever y'all gonna do, y'all still have time to buy y'all Hellcats, right? But like I said, I don't think it's worth it. That's just my opinion, man. Gas, you not using 797 or even 707 horsepower every single day, right? Like, I even thought about downgrading, y'all. Like, downgrading to the Scat, you know, the Scat Pack wide body, man. I never owned the Scat. I went Challenger V6 to Charger V8 RT to Chevy Camaro Z01 to this, right? I never had a Scat Pack, so I don't know how it feel to be faster than an RT but slower than a Hellcat, like right in the middle, right? I never drove a Scat Pack. I want to, you know. But yeah, y'all really thought about, man, just, you know, saving money, right? You know, going in a different direction, buying a house in the future and all that, right? And yeah, just going Scat Pack wide body, man. But even for the Scats, y'all, the Scats going at, sheesh, a brand new Scat Pack wide body, man. They going for at least, I'd probably say 52,000 and up. That's for a good option one and all that, right? I've seen them go for 47, 48, right? Base. You know, like states like New York, surprisingly cheap, like cheaper cars, right? People don't generally drive up there. So yeah, most of them, they're cheaper in like the East Coast, New York and all that up there. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just give y'all, man, a walk around the car, y'all. Yeah, like, I'm not trying to discourage anybody out there from getting a Hellcat, man. Look, if you financially stable, if that's your dream car, man, look, follow your dreams, man. But like I said, just make sure you financially stable and that you getting that car for the right reason, man. Don't try to follow your friend, right? Your friend not gonna pay your car note or your insurance. That's another thing. Insurance and car note, right? Your friend not gonna pay that. You heard me? So, hey, make sure, man, you know, learn from me, learn from your favorite YouTuber, whoever y'all watch. Hey, you know, don't rush to get no Hellcat, man. It's not worth it. I'm telling y'all, unless y'all financially stable. But yeah, like I said, look, let me just get y'all outside the car, man. You know, I'm gonna get y'all a cold start too, man. I just washed the car, took the car to the wash, whatever, right? Like I said, the car was brown too, y'all. This bit was brown. I drove this thing in the snow. Highly don't recommend. But yeah, let's go. All right, CEEFAM. So we outside, man. We got the car. I'm really sorry, y'all, man. I've been gone for about 4 months, y'all. Like I said, life been hitting lately. Life been, you know, attacking me, man. But hey, God give his worst test or his strongest test to his strongest soldiers, man. So, you know, me. Yeah, look. So we got the car, y'all. You know, still look good, man. I'm really considering going back to like the all white. Sorry for the wind noise, man. It's pretty windy out here, as y'all can see, man. But yeah, look, I'm really thinking about, man, taking this wrap and stuff off, y'all. And just going all white, man. I kind of missed the all white look to the car, you know. Still got the nice 305s on there. Thought about going 315s and stuff too, but I don't know. I don't know what I want to do, man. Yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know, man. Look, we still got the red eye, man. People used to be hating on me. Oh, you know, you can't afford the red eye. Da-da-da-da. Man, I've been in Hawaii 8 months, man. You heard, man. Look, we've been paying on the red eye, bro. We've been making it happen, man. So if I can do it, bro, in the Army, shit, y'all can do it too, man. But yeah, like I said, y'all, this car, man, it's been really great to me as of late, y'all. Haven't really had no complaints with it, no breakdowns. I got 2 oil changes already, one at 5 miles. The next one was at, I think, 10,000. So we at 12,000 miles now, y'all. Like I said, I don't buy this car, man, just to let it sit. I don't buy this car to just let it, you know what I mean? If you paying all that money on the car, bro, drop your car, man. You know, yeah, it's gonna be worth a lot more if I just keep the miles super low and all that, man. But I'm a car enthusiast, and as a car enthusiast, I appreciate my car, and I'm gonna drive the living hell out of my car too, you hear me? But yeah, y'all, Let me just give y'all a little light slight cold start too, man. I never give y'all cold start in a little minute. Hold on, boy. Y'all see we got the red key, of course. New Orleans Saints, man. You gotta represent where you from. People be from goddamn, I don't know, New York, saying they're an Alabama fan. I'm like, how that work? Like, what they do to that? Let me give y'all a little light. If you still got the 2 little horns, you wrong. So it's not even a cold start for real. It's kind of warm, man. The car is definitely warm. I want to get y'all a cold start whenever like the car is like, man, it get cold over here. As y'all can see, man, we got snow and stuff on the ground too. So it's crazy, man. It snowed, what, last Saturday? It snowed for New Year's and New Year's Eve, boy. It's cold as hell out there, and I drove it. Never again. But yeah, y'all, I mean, like I said, I don't think buying a Hellcat or a Hellcat Red Eye is worth it for those reasons, man, for sure. I'd rather, you know, get a damn Scat Pack wide body, man, mod it the way I want to mod it, man. And then another thing too, if you get a car like this, bro, like all you can really do to it is like some kind of performance mods, right? Intake, pulley, maybe headers, mid muffler delete, right? What could you really do to this car, man? Like, I'm really used to like buying a car, modding it out completely, man. This right here, y'all, you can't really I can't do too much to it, right? And that's kind of why I haven't really been like putting out content, man. I don't want to put out BS content, just talk to y'all the whole time. I want some action, man. I want mods to be done and all that. So comment down below, man, what mods y'all want to see to the Red Eye, man. I thought about getting some side skirts, getting like a front splitter, changing out this grill too with the 2 little fins. I'm gonna put that, but it's gonna be the ones that light up, if that makes sense. So yeah, man, comment down below what mods y'all want to see, y'all. Like I said, sorry I've been going for 4 months, man. I just don't want to put out dry content because I watch people on YouTube, right? And I don't want to watch no dry content. That's just me, y'all. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for stopping into your boy channel, man. I will be uploading more frequently, at least twice a week, man, at least. You know, I'm gonna try to get on the schedule to where I can be more consistent with YouTube and everything, man. So hey, like I said, appreciate y'all for stopping in. It's your boy CEEFAM, man. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Yes, sir.